All right, welcome. We're gonna go do a little Airbnb tour here in this fancy building with our dear friends Sherry and Keith. So, but first we're gonna grab a quick snack and then we'll go check out this fancy building with the rooftop patio. I got all the prices, I got all the info. It's gonna be up there somewhere. Stick around. Let's check it out here in Playa del Carmen with Dos Gringos un Golfo. Let's go eat. Provecho. Wipe your feet first. Vámonos. I'll even drop the location for you. You can see exactly where we're at here.
What'd you pick, honey?
Well, I think I am going to get
bacon, ham, sausage, or artichoke
the rancheros.
So do I pick one between the dashes?
Oh, I don't want sunny side up eggs though. Let's go back.
I wouldn't think.
Okay, one side is English and one side is Spanish. I didn't realize that. Or the huevos al gusto. Maybe I'll go with the huevos al gusto. One of the two anyway. 160, 130 for the huevos al gusto. 145 for the ranchero. Super Popeye omelet. 155. Okay, and a cappuccino and Jugo Verde. The green juice.
The quesadillas and the bagel.
Sure they have Jugo Verde. I don't see it on this menu, but oh, there we go.
At the Walmart,
Right here.
Ham and cheese sandwiches in the baguette.
95 pesos for the Jugo Verde. Orange juice 95. 450 mil. They're all 95 peso. We get a frappe for 95 pesos too, or a smoothie.
Just in case.
No Coca-Cola.
That'll change your mind on the baguette. You know what I mean?
Well, those pineapple juices look absolutely amazing. How does it taste?
Awesome.
Good? Looks really good. Muy grande.
We drive around in different
Cool.
cars as well.
Excelente. Okay, so the restaurant, the coffee shop is attached to the hotel and you're allowed to use the pool. So there's a hotel right here as well. Very cool. Very cool. I like it. Oh, there's an electric scooter. So we're just a few blocks from the beach, so great location. Very nice. Okay, Provecho. My cappuccino has arrived. Let's go drink it.
You know that restaurant we wanted to go to?
Yeah, I got mushroom chili.
Oh, okay. Your omelet looks really good too. Gracias. Now, just waiting for my tortillas. So you guys both got omelets. What did you order, babe? Quesadilla. Okay, let's go eat. Provecho. I don't want this. Toast. Jen can have my toast. Okay, I got my Jugo Verde.
And I'm like, oh, I can use money. He's like, yeah, where do I stick it?
I spilt my salsa everywhere.
He's like, oh, he thought I was all set. And I'm like, where does it go?
Yummy.
There's not a lot of selection there. But it's all cheaper. It's like
He just makes himself at home. So there you go. There's our bill. Basically 1,000 pesos for all four of us to have breakfast. Not bad because we all had juice except for Jen. We had cappuccino and then for breakfast. So not too shabby. All right, let's go check out the inside of their fancy pad here. Oh, nice entranceway. Very nice.
Little step. It's extra long.
yeah.
Elevator, studio.
What's on the other side there?
It's another tower. That's where the pool is. So we have to come down, cross over, and go up again. Yeah.
I like the green. I do. I like this
Yeah.
color of green. It's nice.
You know, that's all South Africa.
Oh yeah. Okay, cool. Oh, this is nice. So a little studio. There's your kitchen right there when you come in. Very modern, very chic. Look at the fridge. Excelente. Wow. Oh, all digital. Wow. Nice, nice Daniel. Oh, full glass doors. I like that. And the shower head looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Very, very nice. So it's basically like a hotel room. Studio. What's with the big hump in the bed there?
It's a dead body.
Dead body. Okay. And the internet's good?
That's nice.
Yeah. Good internet. Perfect. And you got a nice coffee bar there for your...
Or internet.
Excelente.
Or for your laptop. So I find the bed too hard. So I bought an air mattress.
Oh, you got an air mattress on it. Okay. Well, that's okay. Walmart. That's why you were at the Walmart?
No, well, yeah.
You're close to the Walmart anyway. Yeah, this is nice. This is okay.
Walmart every day. Every other day.
We got a little
For groceries and...
patio here.
Oh.
Oh.
Yes, yes, yes. So,
So there's the rooftop up there.
yeah. So we're in this tower. So we were down here in this lobby. And there's a nice little fountain. So you just...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, actually, that's the other building. So our building ends here at this...
You getting dizzy, babe? Yeah, this is a nice little place. It's okay.
Not for
The only one I look at.
Very nice. Small, but it serves a purpose. Oh, and you got a closet here. So there's a safe and everything, I would imagine.
It's the same.
Perfecto. And you got a little storage here for your food, too, as well. And we've got cupboards and whatnot. Yeah, that's okay. The only thing I don't like are these induction cooktops. But you're on vacation anyway,
It took
so...
us 2 days to figure it out.
It does. If you don't know them, they're terrible.
Like, I can't do it now.
You have to put a pot in
It's
it.
got to have a pot on it, yeah.
Ah,
It's, yeah, they're... I'm not a fan.
I'm not a fan.
Oh, yeah, let's go check out the rooftop here in a minute. Hold on, let's go.
I don't know if we're ever going to get this thing working again.
I'm cold, look at... I got a jacket on. Oh, yeah, that's a nice feature. Very cool.
Ours is
Right up there.
up there somewhere.
4 stories up.
Yeah.
I like the fake plant wall. Better than just concrete. Oh, they've done a nice job here.
So
Looks good.
the elevator's so small, we're going to sit there.
Yeah, we'll wait till they're done.
We've never had to, but then we're only 2 people. We probably could have fit in there, but we're 4 now. So.
Oh, is this the name here?
Yeah, this is the...
This tower, right?
No, they're all...
They're all called that.
And Midtown. This word and Midtown, and then different numbers. So it's the different numbers that...
Okay.
It's not a Spanish word because they don't have a double S in Spanish.
Yeah, Spanish words, no double
So I would
S's.
say French.
Wow,
time the door's been closed.
that's kind of freaky. Oh, they got their own over there too. There's 2 side by side. Nice. Yeah, beautiful view for sure. Very, very nice. Yeah, it's freezing up here. Mucho frio.
Oh, you should have seen the cruise ships coming in.
Oh, there's a bar and everything over there. Cool. Yeah, it is absolutely beautiful. Well, here's your what you're paying. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, you can see Cozumel off in the distance. Mucho frio. They got bathrooms up here. It's nice. Nice view of the city. I could probably almost see my car from here. So we're just parked on the other side of the street over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just down from Walmart. We're parked right there, right behind this building over here. Cool.
I was going to suggest probably a park right in the university parking spots.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is pretty nice. A big area. Quite big. Very nice. Oh, these guys have their own private pool. Check that out. Our friend has a condo in Chicxulub that she owns. And it's a 3-story with a rooftop pool like this, a little dipping pool, probably about the same size. She painted a beautiful mural on the walls, absolutely beautiful. She owns it. So, and it's not it's like a townhouse style. So, yeah, it's quite beautiful anyway. In Chicxulub, she was our neighbor, super nice lady. Super nice lady. Okay, you can go, babe. You guys say whatever you want, and then I'll say goodbye.
Get the hell out of here.
Get off my property.
Get off.
Thank you so much, you guys, for sharing your Airbnb with us. We hope you enjoy your stay here in Playa del Carmen, sincerely. And yeah, adios.
We'll see you around. Adios, hasta luego, God bless. Thanks for hopping on. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, be kind to one another. We're gonna go try to stay warm.
Yeah.
We're all freezing, except for Sherry over there with her muscle shirt on.
Peace out.